On October 31st, 2011, the 7th billion baby was born. Today, an additional 360,000 people were born. Currently, food scarcity, water scarcity, and fuel scarcity are growing. As developing nations push into the middle class, there's become a bigger strain on supplies for food, water, and fuel. This push into the middle class has also increased fertility and reduced mortality. Countries such as Uganda, Nigeria, and Bangladesh are growing at astronomical rates. Currently, the population in Uganda is 27.7 million. It is projected that the population will rise to 130 million by 250. It is clear that with the global population rising at such rates, we must take all measures we can to try to make scarcity of food, water, and fuel as minimal as possible. One of the ways is using green energy. Using oil, gas, and coal emits heat-trapping gases, which contributes to climate change, a detrimental environmental consequence. On Earth, 97% of water is unusable. Out of the drinkable water, almost 80% of it is locked up in glaciers. The Himalayas, which have glaciers that supply 3 billion people with water, are retreating so fast that 1/5 of all ice coverage is gone in the mountain range. This is happening all over the world. 99% of glaciers in Alaska have retreated. In Antarctica, the Larsen Ice Shelf lost 970 square miles of ice, equivalent to the size of Rhode Island. Currently, 884 million people, or almost 3 times the United States population, does not have access to clean water. If we continue, the number will only grow. Unpredictable weather patterns, extreme hot and cold temperatures, drought, scarcity of water, and longer insect activity are all negative impacts on agriculture. Climate change has more than doubled the amount of floods. By 2030, maize production in southern Africa could decrease by more than 30%. By this year, the population is predicted to reach 8.5 million. We are unable to afford these setbacks. It is clear that to avoid these problems and to compensate for the problems that we have already made, we need to abandon non-renewable energy.